It is not even summer yet, and it is 96 degrees outside. And yeah, the Bryant's still on. If the light is blinking, then that means the outdoor unit's running. Let's go outside and take a look. It is 96 degrees today. I do not know how accurate the thermostat is, but I'd say that's about right. Last time I checked the Weather Channel website on my computer, it was like 92 or 93, and it felt like 98. So the thermostat isn't that far off the mark. And the Bryant is actually going to have some routine maintenance done to it today. There's nothing wrong with it. It's working fine. Keeping the house nice and comfortable. But the company that installed it is just coming by to do some diagnostic stuff to it. Give it a little checkup. Probably going to check the refrigerant level, the pressure, clean it, that kind of stuff. And as you saw in the house, the thermostat was set to 73 degrees. It's very comfortable inside the house right now. Need to start trimming this tree back in the near future. And as you can see, the lines are nice and sweaty. Very, very quiet. And again, this house is almost 3,000 square feet plus the finished basement. So the square footage of the house does not include the finished basement. It's probably like 3,400 with the basement. And this unit does a great job of cooling the house evenly. Plus it's got ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, so that helps. And this is a 2-stage variable speed system, so that also helps. The train was just a basic 10 SEER unit, and the air handler was the original builder grade air handler from 1987. So this is a big improvement. And for those of you who haven't seen the other videos, this is a 16 SEER, 5 nominal ton, or 60,000 BTU heat pump. And it replaced a 1998 Trane XE1000 Weathertron heat pump from 1998. It is brutally hot right now. That's the window where my friend took all those pictures from the second floor from. And again, this is cedar siding. There's the anti-woodpecker device. You can actually see the humidity. And that might actually be... No, I just saw a white Ford Super Duty drive by. I thought it might have been the air conditioning guy, but it didn't have anything written on it. So it's probably not them. I know for a fact that the company that installed the heat pump at this house has a fleet of Ford like E150 and E250 vans. There's my truck. Got the sunshade in the windshield. Bird over there. There's my Jimmy Buffett Margaritaville sticker that I got in Key West. I think I'm going to go back inside the house now and truly enjoy the Bryant. And then I believe that's the well over there. My friend's house is kind of out in the boonies, so it has, there's like no, I mean, obviously the electricity, but, the water and the sewer, the sewer are on site. It's got a septic tank and a well. And there's no gas out here, so that's why it's a heat pump. And it was done in the house was built in the 1980s when oil was getting a little bit expensive, so that's why I think the builder went with a heat pump instead of a straight cool unit and an oil furnace. And the septic tank is right there. That's the septic tank right there. Don't know how big it is. Alright, I will be back when the technicians arrive. See if I can get a video of the work being done to the heat pump. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I might be back. Out. There is a pretty epic storm going on right now. Just hope it doesn't start hailing. It has cooled down a lot. I mean, it's still in the 80s right now, but it's a lot cooler than it was. And it was raining a lot harder before. There's some lightning. There you go. looks like a Ford Mustang. Yep. Black Mustang convertible. And I think it's a 5.0 or a GT. They didn't start making the 5.0 again until 2010, I think. Or maybe it was 2011. Yeah, I think it was 2011. And the rain's picking up a little bit. And it was almost 100 degrees earlier today. The garage retains heat, so it is pretty warm inside the garage. Protected by this overhang here. That was a nice one. It's not raining very hard anymore. And it sounds like the heat pump is still running. Can't tell. Don't feel like walking out in the rain. Actually, you know what? It's not raining that hard. That was a nice one. 5 p.m. It's Thursday, June 9th, 2011. Whoa. And the water just dripped on the camera. Actually got a floodlight screwed into there. There we go. There's a nice one out there. It has really cooled off. But it's still going to be 86 degrees tomorrow. I mean, it's a big improvement over today, but still pretty damn hot. Especially considering there's going to be rain tomorrow, too. And potential thunderstorms. And I see lightning bugs. Fireflies. The mating signals. And I don't think the heat pump is running anymore. It sounds like it's shut off. Lightning bug. Oh, there's some. I think the rain's starting to pick up again. Phew. Phew. Excuse me. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Whoa, holy shit. That was a nice one. That was a really nice one. Maybe I'll stay out a little bit longer. Alright, as soon as I say it's time to go, another big one will occur. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. There's still a little bit going on over there. Alright, out.